The goal isn't simply quitting pornography. The goal is becoming someone who genuinely prefers a life without it. If you are still trying to quit porn using willpower, discipline, and streaks, you're simply solving the wrong problem. Porn is actually not hard to quit. What is hard is letting go of the belief that you need pornography. And as long as that belief stays unchanged, you will keep going back to it no matter how motivated you are. And most people believe that they are addicted. And you were never powerless. You were always choosing based upon what you believed pornography gave you. Now, the moment you realize that you are actually making a choice, the fear drops, because a man who chooses is not trapped anymore. And this is what Shaitan doesn't want you to understand. Every human decision follows one rule. You don't choose based upon the costs, but you choose based upon perceived benefit. And porn works the same way. As long as you believe it gives you something of value, your brain will keep choosing it. Quitting porn isn't about fighting urges. It's not about controlling yourself. It's actually about removing every perceived benefit until you see no point in going back to it. Inside this program, you're given a structured process to dismantle porn at the belief level, and you will identify exactly what you think pornography gives you. And then step by step, you will see why those benefits were never real to begin with. They are simply a delusion that you've built over the years inside the mind. And that the only thing that porn did was take you away from your focus, your dignity, and your presence with Allah Ta'ala. And if you ever slip, you don't spiral down. You don't go into this chaser effect where you keep relapsing. No, you actually pause and ask yourself one intelligent question. What benefit did I believe in at that moment? And that's how awareness replaces cycles and how real growth happens, by the permission of Allah. A shift in belief, identity, and worldview. And when that shift happens, pornography stops being a part of who you are. And when it's no longer part of your identity, then there's also nothing left to fight. And that means that you will simply forget about pornography. You will not have to keep track of your streak, you will not have to fight urges, you will not even do anything with this anymore. It's just a one-time thing you gotta work on, and after that, it's done. And you can simply forget about it. If you are serious about change, if you are tired of starting over and you're ready to address the root cause of the problem, then take the step now and start dismantling the beliefs that have kept you stuck in this for good, inshallah. So join right now and see you in the program.